Getting a little rain, but she's still burning hot, as you can see. The coals are hot enough. Keep it going. As you can see, it's wet. Maybe you can't see that. Well, I promise you it's raining. I want to see if I can burn this huge log. Too much labor to try to break it up, so I figure I burn it. We'll see how it goes.